Hey everyone, this is Reyhana from typingtofreedom.com and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a cashgem.co review, so if you've been wondering whether it's a scam, how it works, whether it pays out or not, then you've come to the right video because I will be giving you all of the juicy details about cashgem.co, but most importantly, I'm going to be telling you the truth, okay? But before I do so, I want to welcome you if you're new to the channel. I do a lot of video reviews like this, as well as videos on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if these are things you're interested in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Okay, so let's get started. So cashgem.co, as you can see, I'm on the main page of this website here, and what they claim to help you do is make money online through social media or any other website where you can share the referral link. So basically you sign into cashgem.co, you grab your referral link, you put it all over social media, maybe all over YouTube in the comments, maybe on other websites, so that whenever people see it, they click on it, they sign up to cashgem.co, and you make money. Unfortunately, though, it does not exactly work this way. I hardly believe it works at all because there are some serious red flags I want to reveal to you today, okay? So pay attention because this is going to be very, very important if you've signed up for this and wondering why you're not getting paid, okay? The first thing that I want to show you is about Cashgem. So they claim when you scroll down that they began in 2015, but unfortunately that's a complete lie. They actually started this website in April of 2020. So as you can see, this website has only been here for about 2 months, like less than 2 months from the time that I'm creating this video. And they are lying to you right off the bat. They were not created in 2015. The longer a website has been around, the less likely it is a scam. So that's why they're lying to you so that you trust them. But don't do it. We've already seen the first lie. Let's take a look at the second lie. The second one is we're going to go to the payment proofs. And you're going to see that there are some dates on those payment proofs. This is the first one, January 1st, 2020, as you can see. But we've just found out that the website was only created in April 2020. So how could anybody have gotten paid from Cashgem in January when it didn't even exist? Right? So doesn't that make you doubt the rest of these payment proofs? Because, you know, even if it says today right here, there's really no proof what date this was actually paid out on, right? And if you want to see some other some other examples, I believe there's another one here. This one says January 31st. You keep going down. I believe there's another one that says February on it, which is, ridiculous. There you go, February 6, 2020. So as you can see, these payment proofs are completely fake and completely made up. Yes, because of the fact that nobody could have gotten paid in January, February, or March because the website didn't even exist then. Nobody could have made money. Nobody could have signed up. They couldn't have gotten paid from Cashgem at all. So that's the second lie. And the third lie are actually the testimonials on the homepage. So if we go back, again, it's the issue with the amount of time that this website has actually been around. So if we scroll down, as you can see, this says that I started Cashgem a year ago. Well, it only started about 2 months ago. Cashgem was only launched about 2 months ago. So, it's impossible that anybody could have made money online a year ago with this website. So again, another lie, okay? The other red flag that I find with this is that they say their parent company has been creating online monetizing solutions since 2010. Well, why don't they give us the information of this parent company? I mean, why are they so shy? What are they hiding, Wouldn't this give Cashgem more credibility? I mean, you would trust them more if they've been with a company or a parent company that has been around for 10 years, right? But yet you find that they're actually hiding this information. And this is a serious red flag, right? Another red flag that I found is actually inside the platform itself. So when you sign in, this is what it's going to look like. And they say that for each link, click that you get, you make $2, you make $15 from people actually signing up. Okay, so this is kind of like a pay-per-lead kind of deal. So these are okay, but when you go to the cash wall or to the task wall, this is basically what they're saying here is that you're going to earn $45 for each offer that you complete here on this website. So let's just think about it for a minute. Okay, so you're getting $45 for, unlocking and downloading some kind of content now, right? Or just sharing a shop on eBay and get a $250 Visa gift card, right? These tasks are so easy, and those can be done for payment of just a few cents. So, especially from other websites like Swagbucks, which is a very well-known one. So why would any company actually partner up with CashGem when they have to pay you $45 here for tasks that they can pay you a few cents somewhere else? It doesn't make sense. So what this actually means is that CashGem is not going to get customers, right? They're not going to get affiliates. And when they don't get affiliates, they're actually not getting paid for any of this. So if they're not getting paid, how are they paying you? It doesn't make sense, right? And on top of that, if we go back to the dashboard, it's not only $45 that they're taking per survey or per task here. They have to take way more because, for one, they have to pay you for your $30 bonus. Where's that going to come from? Then you have to refer your friends. Well, signing up your friends is actually free for them. So they have to take out that money from somewhere, which is going to be from the surveys or tasks, right? And again, the $2 clicks and the videos and the Snapchat videos, the TikTok videos, whatever kind of posts, right? For everything, they need to pay people out. And on top of that, they also have a 20% commission on whatever your referrals make, right? You're going to get 20% commissions off of that. So where are they getting all of this money from? So really, they're not really charging $45 per task here now. It might even go up to $100 if you include them having to make enough money to even pay their employees and maintain the actual website, right? Like, it costs money. So as you can see, nobody is ever going to pay $100 for a single task to get completed when they could pay a few cents somewhere else and get that same job done. So that's why I believe that CashGem.co will not pay out. And on top of that, it's actually very similar to some other websites that I reviewed before. So if we go here, and I'm just going to show you, there's one that's cashforshare.co. So this is one other website that actually, kind of looks the same as the other one. They say that you can earn bonuses when you sign up. You can work from anywhere. Just sign in. You earn bucks whenever you refer other people. As well as, even the payment proofs, they're kind of like the same, right? So as you can see, these are all copied and pasted websites, generic websites. They are not going to pay you. Their main focus is to get your personal information, okay? And when they can get your personal information, what that means is that they can use it to scam you. So send you those emails that look so real that they make you give up your personal information, your credit card, your bank account information, all of that good stuff. Or they could also use your information to steal your identity, because when you go back inside here, go to the cash wall or the task wall, whatever it is, you come down here and they actually ask for your personal information. Like, when you create a free account, you need your email, maybe your name, maybe your phone number. Over here it's a voucher. So how are they going to send it to you? By email or by mail? Maybe you're going to have to give up your address, all of that, right? So you have to keep in mind that they are collecting your information, even though these seem like independent offers. But I don't think they are. I believe that these are integrated with CashGem only to make you believe that they're affiliated with other of other companies, when really they're using this to gather all of your information. So that's why I'm saying that this website is definitely not legitimate, okay? They're going to use your information like that. They could even sell your information to other scammers and spammers or hackers even, who could hack into your online accounts, even your PayPal account, like over here, right? They say enter your valid details and confirm. You could win a $500 PayPal gift card. Well, where are they going to send it? They're obviously going to have to send it to your PayPal email address. So they're going to ask you for that email address and try hacking into your PayPal account. So be very, very careful of these websites or websites that look similar to CashGem, okay? Just like Cash for Share. Anything that ends in the .co and that looks similar to these websites, you know now are not going to pay you, okay? But I'm pretty sure that you are still looking for a way to make money online, knowing that these are scams. So I want to tell you about the opportunity that has actually worked for me. I have tried various different business models, right? So I have tried MLM, I have tried network marketing, I have tried cash gifting even because I was so desperate. I even tried, opening my own pet supply store, all of which did not work, okay, guys? The only thing that has worked is affiliate marketing. Okay, and affiliate marketing is where you promote products to others that, you're not just promoting, but our way of explaining is that you're trying to help other people out. That's how, when you're promoting something to them, they're more likely to purchase. And when they purchase that product, you make commission. So it's really, really easy concept, but just know that it's not gonna happen overnight, right? Success is not gonna happen overnight. You gotta work for it, just like everything that's legitimate, okay? And if you want to get a quick peek of how you can get started for free, then I will include the link for you to sign up for my free guide in the link below. Sorry, in the comment section below, and it'll bring you to this page. Typingtofreedom.com, as you already know, is my website. You scroll down and you just put in your name and your email address here, and you're gonna receive instant access to this free guide, okay? So you don't have to purchase anything. You will automatically be included in my free 6-day email course where you'll receive emails over the course of the next 6 days where I'll show you exactly what I do and how you can also get started for free making money online, okay? And I just want to show you that this works. So as you can see, I have made several $100s, even thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. So it does work. Okay, guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've learned something from it. If you think that this will benefit somebody else, please go ahead and share it. Please also like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.